और आज मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। यहाँ पे आके मेरा मानसिक, आत्मिक और शारीरिक सुधार हुआ है।
Hello friends, I am Dr. Professor R.K. Tuli, the founder of SOHAM, the Society for Holistic Advancement of Medicine, and also credited with having established the world's first ever department of holistic medicine at Delhi's premier Indraprastha Apollo Hospitals way back in 1995.
So Dr. Arkituli is the person who is the person with holistic medicine. He looks after Soham Center of Holistic Medicine, and he is also a professor with Indira Gandhi University. He has created the holistic approach platform for the country.
डॉक्टर आर.के. तुली जुड़ने वाले हैं, जो फादर ऑफ होलिस्टिक मेडिसिन है। अपोलो हॉस्पिटल में उन्होंने होलिस्टिक मेडिसिन का डिपार्टमेंट शुरू किया था।
Holistic medicine is a board certified specialty in the USA since the year 1997, and there is a demand all over the world for an all inclusive, integrated, comprehensive healthcare because no one system of medicine is perfect. While the system of modern medicine has made tremendous progress in the last 3 to 4 decades, the burden of sickness has also increased 3 to 4 times during the same period. So, in this series, Sickness to Wellness Beyond Allopathy, we today bring to you a very interesting, very challenging case of a lady who had suffered from stage 4 cancer of her ovaries, and having been operated, had 6 chemotherapy cycles at the famous Tata Memorial Institute in Mumbai. But her health was very poor. She continued to suffer from a very poor health in all its aspects. Plus, she had unbearable pain in her back, which could not be diagnosed. So, after trying all that she could in Mumbai, at somebody's advice, she came and took the holistic medicine therapy with me for nearly 30 sessions. And you will hear in her own words that she feels so well that she says she has not been so good, definitely even in previous 10 years. All her problems, all her symptoms are gone, and she is feeling so good, so healthy. Please listen in her own words.
मेरा नाम विशाखा मोतलिंग है। मैं मुंबई से आई हूँ। मैं कैंसर पीड़ित हूँ और 4th स्टेज कैंसर है मुझे, ओवेरियन कैंसर। 6 कीमो लग चुके थे मेरे और मुझे काफ़ी आराम ही नहीं था। मैं रेफरेंस से, मेरे एक फ्रेंड के रेफरेंस से सोहम क्लिनिक पे आई थी। यहाँ पे मैंने 30 ट्रीटमेंट्स कंप्लीट किए हैं और आज मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। मेरी सेहत काफ़ी सुधर गई है। ये फुल्ली ड्रग फ्री ट्रीटमेंट है और मैं चाहती हूँ कि लोग आए, अपना इलाज जल्दी से जल्दी यहाँ कराए, ताकि ड्रग्स फ्री ट्रीटमेंट सभी लोगों के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है। इसमें कोई भी साइड इफ़ेक्ट्स नहीं है और आप बहुत ही जल्दी अच्छी अपना सेहत पा सकते हैं। यहाँ पे आके मेरा मानसिक, आत्मिक और शारीरिक सुधार हुआ है। बहुत ही अच्छा सुधार हुआ है और सच में ये ट्रीटमेंट बहुत ही अच्छा है। थैंक यू डॉक्टर तुली एंड थैंक यू सोहम क्लिनिक एंड थैंक यू टू ऑल सोहम क्लिनिक स्टाफ।
Now, I may share with you all that holistic medicine is an optimum synergy of the best practices of modern medicine, complemented with the drug free modalities of the so called alternate systems of medicine, which are all officially recognized. And that comprises the system of acupuncture with its various modalities, the lifestyle science of Ayurveda, including yoga and naturopathy practices, and the modern healing practices like Reiki, pranic healing, what you may call chakra balancing, aura chakra analysis, and even counseling and psycho hypnotherapy, etc. So this helps to complement, as I said, the best practices of modern medicine. It helps us to complement all the systems and specialties of medicine to improve the final outcome of every sickness. And in fact, it goes a long way in even curing many of the conventionally incurable diseases. Thereby helps to improve the efficacy and the wellness of each patient suffering from whatever the diseases it may be. Now, the word holistic conveys the taking care of the human being as a whole, not just the parts or the body, but the mind and the soul. It's very important that we treat the human being not as a machine and merely a part of, but the soul in the human being, the Atma, which is an extension of the universal Paramatma. And it should be a part of management of every patient suffering from any sickness. And may I also tell you that since it takes care of the human being as a whole, it also helps to take care of all the ailments of the individual concurrently. One does not have to be going knocking around. And as a matter of fact, it helps to get rid of the medicines. And not only, as you hear from Vishakha's own words, it helps her to feel so good today that she has not been this healthy and happy even previous 10 years before her sickness. That's the goodness of practice of holistic medicine, and its practice can raise the health level of all the people, eliminate all kinds of sickness, and restore the old glory of the medical profession. Also, it helps the disease at various levels. Now, I have a experience of treating patients at different levels. For example, this lady came because now after having received the best, her health situation was miserable. She couldn't stand it and she had to come all the way from Mumbai, stay in Delhi for about a period of month and a half and get well. But there are patients who say, well, I will die, but not undergo the medical treatment because the treatment was so complex, complicated, painful, and maybe so expensive. So we practice holistic medicine, keeping the Vedic prayer in our heart. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya. May all beings be healthy and may no one suffer in any way. That's the call of the day, and let us help all the sick people in the world get rid of their sickness, restore their wellness and happiness. And as they said, Swasth Bharat can only give us Sampann Bharat. Thank you. Jai Hind.